Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. When a Lamborghini Aventador S rental crashed at 100 m per hour into a semi-truck. Human saliva has a boiling point 3 times higher than pure water. You cannot legally buy Jack Daniels in the town where it is produced. Madagascar has been isolated for about 88 million years and is home to an abundance of plants and animals found nowhere else on Earth. Late night sleepers have 46% higher risk of developing type 2 diabetes. The saying sleep tight actually dates back to the 1500s and 1600s when mattresses sat atop ropes that required regular tightening. Picasso painted using ordinary house paint. This is a mirror, not a canvas. In Tibet, butter tea is a common drink. It is made from black tea, yak butter and salt. 8 rainbows, quite the phenomenon seen in Lehigh Valley, PA. The first pocket watches had one single hand showing the hours. Minute hands started being used only in the 17th century. A beautiful waterfall in Romania. Amazing colorful Bengals. The Elysia chlorotica is the first animal discovered that is part animal and part plant. Rhino rescues a drowning baby zebra. In 18th century England, gambling dens employed someone whose job was to swallow the dice if there was a police raid. The inventor of the waffle iron did not like waffles. A memorial stone has placed on Stephen Hawking's grave at Westminster Abbey alongside other British scientists including Charles Darwin and Isaac Newton. To save lives, Volvo gave away the patent for its seat belt. The Köppen climate classification system, it was first published by the climatologist Köppen 1846-1940 in 1884. The most common bacteria found on banknotes are the ones that causes acne. On this day, astronaut Mae Jemison became the first African American woman to fly in space, part of the STS-47 Space Lab J mission. Astronauts who walked on the moon total 12. 4 of America's moonwalkers are still alive. Astronauts who orbited the moon total 12. Aldrin climbing down the ladder, he was careful not to close the hatch. The British used chain as a reliable unit of measurement for several countries. One chain equals 22 yards. Since the rules of cricket were written by the British, they decided to use one chain as the length of the pitch. Thailand is home to the iconic annual Monkey Buffet Festival. During it, the residents of Lopburi provide approximately 4.5 tons of fruit and veggies to the 3,000 monkeys that live around the ancient temple. Our bodies are most comfortable side sleeping on the left hand side at night. Side sleeping has shown to aid digestion. It also reduces heartburn, boosts brain health and known to reduce snoring. The brain cleanse may help reduce risk of developing diseases such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Natural dopamine. In the country of Armenia, chess is a compulsory subject in school for those aged 7 to 9. A national obsession, Armenia competes at a world level in chess. In 1890, 60 European starlings were released in New York's Central Park to bring Shakespeare's birds to America. Today, their population has surged to over 200 million, causing significant agricultural damage and hazards at airports. When you stir a soup or a cup of tea, you're bringing the hotter liquid from the center of the cup to the edges where it can cool faster, but stirring it continuously for 10 minutes will only drop the temperature by 2 degrees Celsius compared with just leaving it to stand. The saying, when one door closes, another opens, is an Alexander Graham Bell quote, which he then followed by saying, but we so often look so long and so regretfully upon the closed door that we do not see the ones which open for us. 8 signs of bad parenting. If the child behaves rudely, it is learned from parents or others living with them. If your child is lying, it means you overreacted to the mistakes in the past. If your child is a coward, it is because you helped them too quickly. Don't remove every obstacle from their path. If your child gets angry quickly, the reason might be you have not praised them enough. They only get attention misbehaving. If your child is jealous, the reason might be you compared them with others consistently. If your child does not stand up for themselves, it is because from a young age you have disciplined them regularly in public. If you buy everything for your children and they still take things that does not belong to them, it's because you don't let them choose. If your child had poor self-esteem, it is because you advise them more than you encourage them. Thanks for watching.